Stop buying expensive dishwasher tablets. I'm serious, I don't use them anymore. And today, I'll show you what I use instead. It works great, it's super easy to make, and it saves a lot of money. Let's be honest. Dishwasher tablets are packed with so many ingredients. Most of the time, you don't even need all that stuff for your everyday dishes. And they're not cheap either. You know that if you've ever bought them. So here's the simple solution. Instead of tablets, you only need 3 basic ingredients. That's it. And you probably already know them. First, grab a container with a tight lid. This is where you'll store your homemade powder. Ingredient number 1, baking soda. We'll use 100 grams. Baking soda helps remove bad smells and gives a nice cleaning boost. Ingredient number 2, citric acid. You'll need 120 grams. Try to use the crystal form if possible. Citric acid softens the water and helps remove limescale from your dishes and machine. Ingredient number 3, washing soda. Again, 100 grams. Washing soda is powerful when it comes to cutting through grease and dirt. Now just put everything into your container. Mix it well with a spoon, or simply close the lid and shake it for a few seconds. That's it. Your homemade dishwasher powder is ready. It literally takes 1 minute to make, and the ingredients cost much less than constantly buying tablets. When you use it, start with 1 to 1.5 tablespoons per wash. You can adjust the amount if needed. Some dishwashers may need a little more, some less. Just test it and see what works best for you. If you have space, you can even make a bigger batch and store it in a larger container. Simple, cheap, effective. Try it once. You might never go back to dishwasher tablets again. If you learn anything from this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't.